I've got up here committing to creating business leaders. There's a firm that we work with out on the East Coast. In their communities, the way that business is done on the golf course. And a lot of you live in different communities like that some places it's in a country club or on a golf course or at a chamber of commerce meeting, however you do business. In this particular marketplace, this firm knows that in order to be a good business person in that community, in order for them to be successful in that community, they need to know how to do business on a golf course. So what this firm has done is created a golf training school. Now, the golf training school is not for partners. It goes all the way down to interns in the firm. And what they're doing is that everybody that comes into that firm, in order to become a good business person in the community that they operate in, they need to learn how to play golf. So interns, first year people, everybody goes through this golf training academy. And what they do at the end of the training academy, after they teach everybody their own unique little environment, they have a firm-wide golf outing that includes the partners, and includes the interns, and includes the brand new staff people that came on board here. And they learn how to talk and communicate on a golf course and kind of talk business on a golf course and do the whole thing. Once they do that, they bring in clients to a firm-wide client golf outing, and they integrate, match up a partner with an intern, a partner with the young staff people, and one of the clients, and they teach them how do you talk business on the golf course. And this firm has done this for a number of years. They have become known in their little community as the firm that teaches us how to play golf. But what they found is that the interns who come in to that firm love the idea that the firm cares so much about them that regardless of whether they stay with the firm or not, it's the firm feels it's their responsibility to make these people really good business people in this particular community. And in this community, it means we need to learn how to play golf. And so they've kept a lot of their interns who have come on as staff people. A lot of the younger staff people have stayed there. They've got very, very low turnover rates. And it's because of that feeling that they are really committed to the personal development of their team.